One way to save a lot of time cleaning all of your bottles post-pump is to do the fridge hack. The fridge hack is once you finish pumping and let's say you dump your milk into a bag or a bottle, whatever. This is empty, okay? All you do is just put this entire flange piece and the bottle into the fridge, put it into the fridge, and just keep it in the fridge till your next pump, do your next pump, and wash your bottles at the end of the night. Then you don't have to wash this after every single pump, it gets to be a little too much.